On behalf of Netrix, everyone, I'd like to thank all of you who have taken time to hear our experts talk about Microsoft's tools and features and how they can benefit your educational institution. So with all this information you've taken in today, you might be wondering where to start if you want to take the next steps with the Microsoft platform. As you've seen at the end of everyone's presentation, we have different portals into different facets of Microsoft, their tools, and their features. What you really need to do is decide what's most important for your institution. Now, as far as the Netrix end, we have workshops, assessments, proofs of concept, and more. So just reach out to us by email or phone, and a Netrix expert will work with you to determine your best option. Again, thank you for taking the time to join us, whether it was the whole day or for a few sessions. We appreciate you taking the time. Please reach out to us with any questions you may have. Stay healthy, stay safe, and have a great rest of your week.
Thanks, Mike.
Thanks, everyone.